Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, May 23rd, 2025, we're taking a deep dive into Tesla, TSLA, stock, analyzing the latest news and examining the charts to anticipate potential movements. Several key events have influenced Tesla's recent performance, including Elon Musk's involvement with Doge and Wall Street reactions to it. Billionaire Dan Loeb's Third Point sold its entire stake in Tesla, citing concerns over soaring share price and decreasing vehicle margins, and invested heavily into Nvidia. This is an important one to watch. We also have news about BYD surpassing Tesla in European EV sales, further intensifying competition in the EV market. Let's jump into the charts. On the daily timeframe, we can observe a broad picture of Tesla's price action over the past year or so. We see a significant high in late 2024 near $488, followed by a substantial correction down to around $140 by late April 2025. Currently, we're seeing a price of about $341.04. Now, let's zoom in and analyze the recent price action on the 1-hour chart, starting in May 2025. We'll narrow in on the last few weeks to get a better understanding of short-term trends. Looking at the 1-hour chart, we can see more granular movements. A key support level appears to be forming around $270 to $275. However, we are well above that price now. Resistance might be found near $345 to $350, with previous highs serving as potential hurdles. For a more short-term perspective, let's switch to the 15-minute chart. This allows us to identify potential entry and exit points for day trades or scalping strategies. On the 15-minute chart, we observe recent volatility with smaller candles indicating indecision. Immediate support might be around $330, while a potential resistance level lies around $350. Pay close attention to these levels for breakout or breakdown opportunities. Based on the analysis, several scenarios could play out. A bullish scenario would involve breaking above the $350 resistance, potentially driven by positive news regarding Tesla's AI advancements or a resolution to the political concerns surrounding Elon Musk and Doge. I'd give this a 40% chance. A bearish scenario might occur if the stock fails to hold above $330, potentially triggered by further negative analyst reports or worsening EV sales data. This, I'd predict, has a 35% chance. Finally, a more neutral scenario involves the stock continuing to consolidate between $330 and $350 in the short term until a significant catalyst emerges. I think this has a 25% chance. Key price levels to watch include the support around $330 and the resistance at $350. Keep an eye out for any announcements regarding Tesla's earnings, production numbers, or progress in full self-driving technology, as these could trigger significant price movements. That's all for today's analysis on Explain the Charts. Be sure to like and subscribe.